Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Dan from DHTV, and today I'm going to be showing you how to flip iPhone pictures using the Photos application. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is open our camera app and make sure that you have your selfie camera on so you can see yourself here. And what you'll notice is my camera's on one side, I'm on the other side. And when you take your photos, as soon as you take it, it flips it. Now I'm on that side and the camera's on the opposite side. The reason it does this is that when you're taking photos, it's like looking into a mirror. And if you were taking photos that had words in it, something like this, it would appear backwards. I did take a photo here. If it did not flip in the camera app, this would actually be backwards. So when you take your photos, so we'll go back to that first one, let's just go to this one here. If you want to flip it, simply tap on the edit option, tap on this right here. It's the crop or resize or trim. And then the top left, you'll see these two triangles and the horizontal arrow. If you tap on that, it automatically flips it for you. And now you can flip those selfies, photos, all of those photos that you wanted to flip, you can easily do so. Tap done when you're done, and that is it. In the past, we would have to use other applications to flip our photos on the iPhone, but now you can simply use this editing tool built right into the Photos application. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, again, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, click the bell notification button to be notified when I post new videos. And as always, there's links in the description to this charging pad here. Everybody asks me about it, as well as all the iPhone tips and tricks videos. So check them out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.